Hey guys, today you're going to get one black sheet of paper. You're also going to need to grab one string. The string will be the body to your Chinese dragon, so make sure to pick whichever color you want. The very first thing we always do is we put our name on the back of our sheets of paper, and you are my one, and whatever class you're in. Flip it over, and the first thing we need to do is we need to glue this body down. You probably want the body to look kind of windy, maybe like an S shape, something like this. You'll notice that the string has a lot of kinks in it, so that's going to make it kind of hard to glue down. So you might want to work with a friend on this part. Also, you're welcome to ask me if you need help. I'm going to make kind of an S shape with the glue. And I'm going to slowly work my way down, gluing this on, starting at the end. This is where it'd be good to have a friend help you out. Alright, so mine looks like it's glued down pretty well. It might move a little bit. If that's the case, I might need to add a bit more glue. Alright, so I have a glued down string. Next, I need to make the head of my dragon. The head is probably going to be a triangle shape. So a nice big triangle. However, at the end of that triangle, you might want to make a circle on each side. This is going to look kind of like the dragon's nostrils. Alright, so I can cut that out. Notice how I drew my shape on the edge of my paper too. I didn't do a right smack dab in the middle and use up that entire sheet of paper. So I have my dragon head. I'm going to put a few dots of glue on it. Remember, we're gluing around the edges. We're working on our glue use. And I'm going to glue mine down so I can't see the pencil line. So I'm going to do something like that. Now I'm going to do my tail. Your tail does not need to be the same color as your head. That's up to you. I'm going to do my tail kind of like a triangle as well. Except when I get to the end of my triangle, I'm going to do this kind of angled line or a zigzag and then back up. So if I'd kept going, this would turn into a triangle. But you can see it kind of looks like a monster took a bite out of it. And I can cut that out. So I have a head, I have a body, I have a tail. If you get this far, you may begin working on the inside of the dragon. You can use whatever colors you want. What you're going to do is you're going to take a scrap, cut out a rectangular shape like this, and fold it in half. Now I need to draw a shape on it. You can draw whatever kind of shape you want. It could be a half circle, it could be triangles, it could be ovals, it could be a made-up shape. I'm going to do this one. It's kind of like a curved rectangle. Right, kind of like that. Notice that I'm drawing it so that it does not touch the fold of my paper. So if I draw it so that it touches the fold, I'm going to end up with one big piece, kind of like if you ever would try to make a heart. You fold your heart in half and cut it out. We don't want that to happen because we want two pieces. So I'm going to cut this out very carefully, cutting out both sheets of paper at the same time. And what happens because I folded it is I'm going to get two of the exact same shape. Then I can glue these down on either side of my dragon. Keep your shapes kind of small so they're not taking up a ton of space on your dragon. And we are talking about symmetry. That means that what I do to one side, I need to do the other. So if I glue a shape here, I need to have a shape glued over here as well. I like to leave just a touch of room on either side of my yarn as well. Alright, you're going to make shapes all the way down your body. so that you get something that looks kind of like this. All right, you can see all my different examples of shapes. All right, some of them are geometric, some of them are more organic shape, but keep them small so that the way they don't get into each other's way as you're working your way down the dragon. I don't expect you to finish today. We'll probably finish these up next class. When you're done with these, they go on the drying rack.